am going to explain Unit 1 for 5th semester BCom Vijaypur University, Women's University Vijaypur. Okay. According to the syllabus, the first thing is Introduction to Computerized Accounting. The name itself suggests that computerized accounting means whatever we do manually, accounting, the same thing we should put into the computer. That is considered as a computerized accounting. We have to say that what is computerized accounting means. To do computerized accounting, we required first computer as well as a software. Once we have this computer as well as software and knowledgeable person who can enter the data. If three things are there, we easily say that it is computerized accounting. Actually, the benefits of computerized accounting is once you enter a data into the computer, it will store first thing, less paper, and we can put not only 1 month accounts or 2 months accounts, even we can put 5 years, 10 years, 15 years accounts also we can put in a computer. That is the most important thing. Any number of times we can retrieve also whenever we want. That is one. And here computerized accounting system or software replaced manual based accounting system. Once we have a computer and software, it is almost replaced manual accounting system. We are now a very small companies, very small units are doing manually, whereas in 99% all companies are using a computerized accounting only. It will manage not only accounting, it will manage employees details, account details, all these things you can do in a computerized accounting. Computerized accounting has many advantages over traditional accounting. Compared to traditional accounting, computerized accounting is more advantages. Computerized accounting, what happens is, most important, it is very accurate and fast, or faster to use, and it is less subject error. Like error are very less. Whenever you say computerized accounting, it will calculation is 100% perfect. It will not do wrong calculation. Suppose you enter 2500 plus 200 plus 500 plus 700, the total it will not be wrong. Total is almost always 100% correct. And another most important in computerized accounting means inputs are less, like only voucher, purchase voucher, sales voucher. If you enter, automatically remaining things like a trial balance, balance sheet, P&L account, daily book, all these things, all these entries taken care by Tally itself. It will generate reports very perfectly. Date wise, it will generate reports. Suppose last 2 months back entry you want, it will give. Whereas in manually, what happens, some books will lost, paper torn, something goes wrong, no, you are not able to manage. For example, 15 years accounting, if you want to maintain, means we have to take one room and put the books, all these things. Searching is very difficult. Whereas in computerized accounting, it will not happen. Computerized accounting means you must store all the your entries from last 5 years or 10 years in one computer. Even you can take the backup also in pen drive or a CD or whatever. If something goes wrong with the particular computer, you must have a backup system also. Anytime, only most important thing is storage less, and normally paperless, storage less. Anytime you can take the information, all these things. Okay, that is very important.